Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am jumping on here to explain why I got my bundle from Costco. I got my bundle from Costco because they were able to give me the like a starter kit that I wanted, because it came with a backpack, a bag, a memory card, the lens, and the body for less than $600. And the other bundle on Amazon had other things that I didn't need because I previously purchased stuff from that bundle. So you can check your local Costco if they still have this deal. I know they have things on sale randomly, so you might want to check it out. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
And when you open it, the bag, this is the bag. It's a Canon bag, so it's a sling backpack. It comes in that, and then the camera comes in here. And this is the camera itself. Woohoo! And also in it comes I think this is the memory card. It's 32 gigs, which is, I think, is good amount. So that's what I think. So 8 hours of HDS. And then it also comes, what else is in there? Then it has like the Canon care pack protection, 30 months accidental damage. It's a little difficult to unwrap with one hand because I'm filming with just my one hand. So yeah, so this is the backpack. Looks, it's nice and sturdy, so it's not soft, you know. So in there you open it up, and then right there is like where you can keep your memory card and maybe like extra batteries and stuff. And then let me see, and then you open, okay, and then it's still like the sling, the side one, because you still kind of open from the top, and the camera goes in here, your lens goes over there, and maybe you have extra lenses. I think this is pretty good, and it's well cushioned. Let me pick it up. So it's well cushioned inside of it. So yeah, so pretty nice. It's a nice product, and it's kind of soft in here, like velvety, so it's not gonna scratch your lens. But obviously you're gonna put your lens in something and not carry it. So yeah, so that aside, now is the main beauty. So yeah, so when you open it, and when you open, oh nice, it comes with the, I didn't know it came with this. I think this is the lens. Yeah, that's the lens. So this is the lens. And when I was doing my research, I realized that it was like the smaller size, because I didn't want to do a very big big camera. So this is the lens. Pretty nice. This is the lens. And then the battery, and then what else? Oh, this is the charger. I'm gonna put it back because I don't wanna lose anything. The charger. I'm gonna put the lens back in here. My daughter can come in at any time, and she's gonna be like, "Mama, what's that?" Yeah, and then this is the, oh my goodness, this is it. Okay, I'm gonna sit down properly and try to unbox this properly. So this is the camera itself. Like, it comes in this bubble wrap. It is so tight. Oh my god. It was so light. I didn't know it was gonna be this light. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that. Like, literally, it's the size of my palm. It's the size of my palm. Look at that. I love the texture. Like, I don't like the shiny, like, I like this texture. Like, makes me feel like it's strong. This is so, like, I thought it was gonna be like huge, but it's not. Look at that. Wow, this is pretty nice, you know. Nice, fits in your hand, you know. That's the flash over there, huh? I see that. So pretty nice. This is like, I think you want to add extra like the big flash, and this is why I got it, the external mic. Most of the other ones, they have like the T6 or something, the Rebel T6, they didn't have that. So yeah, so oh my goodness, this is so nice. I'm still gonna get used to this. So yeah, that's my camera. I like it. I'm gonna be posting more videos and showing you like the settings I've been going through, like trying to educate myself, like the best settings to have for the Canon. And I'm gonna show you how it works when I have the setting right, you know, because this is gonna be me all day, every day. This is really nice. I like it. And if you want, the viewfinder is huge too. Wow, it like cushions your eyes, looks like that. So yeah, alright guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. Thank you. Bye.